Hello guys, today we will be setting up the radar. This is perimarine radar. Okay, there are a few things to be kept in mind while setting up this radar. That you have to, whenever the first time you are using this radar, you have to follow a sequence called BGTRS, where B stands for brilliance, G stands for gain, which is over here, T stands for tuning, and then rain clutter and sea clutter. So I'll just show you in a short video like how to set up the radar for first time. Okay, the gain control is over here. You can see the cursor. You have to adjust the gain manually until you can see a speckled background all over your screen at the edges of this ring. Okay, now I'm setting up. Just increase your gain, wait for a while, and just see there should be a speckled background all over the screen. You can see the fine dots are coming on the screen. You can see there is one dot appearing here, there is one dot appearing here, there is one coming here. So this much gain I can keep, it will be fine. Then I have to adjust the tuning. Oh sir, this where we have lost the GPS, so it went into head up mode, but anyways we can tune in then also. So I'm going to tune. The main thing is for tuning that this blue band you can see here, it should be as you go on decreasing it, the green band will go on increasing, and it will give you a fine tuning until you can see the fine edges of each and every target. See, I'm slowly and steadily bringing it down, so this green band will increase. And here is Mr. Baljit, who is recording me, assisting me to make this video. Okay, here is the tuning. You can see the picture is very much clearer than before. Tuning looks fine. Then we have to adjust sea clutter. Sea clutter is only for the side lobes which are coming, no? These unwanted things which are appearing on the radar. It will suppress them. Just give some sea clutter control and then just wait for a while, it will disappear.
Mr. Rohan, can you show about the side lobes, please?
Yeah, side lobes. Those are the side lobes, the circles coming around your sweep. When radar is sweeping, you can see the radar is sweeping, the side lobes. It can be controlled by using sea clutter. But you should keep in mind while using sea clutter, you will also miss some small targets around you like fishing boats or small buoys. So this thing has to be kept in mind.
Okay.
Always. You can see the side lobes are going. They are disappearing, and only the targets which I wanted to see they are also appearing. You can see these two fast moving vessels. They are going. There is one buoy. Also you can see show them outside.
Okay.
Because the weather today is not so good, so setting up radar is quite difficult.
Mr. Rohan, I think so. Today the weather is not so good,
Yeah.
so it's quite difficult for tuning.
The small organ. Just show them the picture. It's appearing clear now. I think it's good tuning.
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.